Good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Bezos from Amazon. This is our Burnaby warehouse. This is the headquarters for our Western Canada operation. And tonight, all of you will be very important because we are selecting our commercial star for the 2018 Sunday Super Bowl Amazon commercial. So 5 contestants tonight, and we will be choosing who is going to be the star for our commercial. And the theme is unboxing. We want to get people unboxing, and it's like a birthday surprise. So you're allowed to cheat, you're allowed to lie, and we encourage you to do that. We want to see funny character. You don't have to be handsome, you don't have to be beautiful. We just want to see that you are enthusiastic about getting good product from Amazon. So we had a list of contestants right here. I believe our first contestant is from Vancouver, and his name is Donald. Is Donald in the group today? Donald? So we'll be doing the video on the chair. So just get excited, be natural, and which piece would you like to have, Donald? Okay. And please have a seat. So timer, as soon as I hand over this mic to Donald, you begin the count. Are you ready, Donald? Okay, camera rolling, 3, 2, 1, camera.
Hello, Toastmasters. Welcome guests. I got my Amazon.
Don't shake it.
Thanks.
I got my favorite knife. Here we go. Ow! I cut myself. Oh. Wow. A cell phone! Yes! It's beautiful. Brand new. Feels heavy. Substantial. I love it. Been waiting 3 months for this. It finally arrived. I'm gonna open it now in front of you and show you what's inside. Whoop! Oh! Oh! Not video. I gotta redo this. Oh! Okay, it's still working. It's in good shape. I'm gonna power it on now. Whoa, there's no power button. Oh, there, right on the side. Now this phone is great. It's way better than my old BlackBerry. Comes with a Microsoft operating system. Great color. Still working. I thought maybe that drop would have scratched it, but luckily with the nice box and protection, it held up together. Definitely, if you want to get a phone, Microsoft. Thank you.
So that's our first quality product. And our next, by the way, I'm Jeff Bezos. We're doing a contestant for our next video commercial. And our next contestant is Lillian from Richmond. Lillian? Is Lillian in the crowd? Lillian? Timer, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, camera.
What's inside? Wow. What's that? It's a flying helicopter, I think. Wow. Actually, I bought 3 of these in the last 2 years for my son's birthday. Open it, okay?
Why'd you buy 3?
Because the first one was defective. So I ordered a second one. It's defective again. So this is my third one. And look at the brand. Wow. JLC. It's brand name. I think so. I think this time it will work. And I'm going to bring it home for my son.
Turn it on.
Fans are restless.
You want her to break it before you get it home?
You just keep on.
Yeah, so let's see if it will work. Wow.
Wow.
So powerful. Actually, I love it. I want to get one more. It's fun. Yeah. I hope it's not broken. Wow. So the light is on, so I'm done. Yeah. I love it.
And our next contestant, I think it's a male. He's a student from BCIT. Let me double check his name. So I put away the junk quality product. Okay, it's Tim. Tim.
Well.
Welcome to Amazon.
I'm coming back, actually. I used to work with Amazon.
Which gift would you like to get today?
Well, I'm a bit of a simple man, and I believe bigger is better.
Okay.
So, let's go with this.
Have a seat.
Guys, stand up. This is a little call.
Okay, you can stand up.
This looks open, though.
Cameraman, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to do unboxing, as usual. Let's, don't know what this is, but let's take a look. And it's already open, which is not very good.
Is it your name on the box?
I suspect, yes.
Okay, good.
Okay. Which makes me suspect my mailman has been opening my mail. And would you look at this? What is this? I got a quality box that can contain another box. And some paper for my washroom. Now, being a box master, I can say this is a very well-made box. It is made from composites with carbon fiber in it. It can use as a hat as well when it's raining. Very useful feature. Let me demo that. And as well, you can use this at Halloween. And as well, let's see what this comes with. Appears to be a Philips Hue light any moment, anywhere light bulb. And you can probably use it with your cell phone. Looks like it. It's insoluble to me though. I like that. Oh, thank you. Oh, would you look at that? This will fit great with your Halloween custom. You can put this in there. And, well, can say that very with confidence, this box is definitely better than the other box. Being a box expert, you can also combine them together to make another different mask of a different sort. And put the light on with it.
Does the light change color?
That's a good question.
Ooh, it did. It's a mood light.
It's a blue light.
Is it waterproof?
Let's try it out. Anybody wanna? Do I gotta keep this? Yes. All right. Thank you. Guys.
Our next commercial contestant is a female, I believe. That's right. And her name is Tiffany. Is Tiffany here? Tiffany once, Tiffany twice. Tiffany, okay, she's probably not here. Okay, we'll move on to our next contestant. I believe it's Brandon. Is Brandon here? Welcome to Amazon. Let me put away this junk. And which gift you like to unbox?
I will unbox this one.
Oh, cool. And down. Let me see. Cameraman, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, I'm opening my great gift, which I got through Amazon Express, so it only took 4 months. See how it turns out. And it is a camera. Wow. Samsung camera. You know what this camera would be good for? Oh, right here. I can use it to take a picture of the box and send it to Amazon and tell them how thankful I am for them to get it on time. And how well, I guess that's a different design, adding scratches onto it. Didn't think that was a normal thing, but I guess it's the new style. Wow, it even works. You know what's a great idea? How we all come in together for a big picture. Whoops. All right. I think this should work well. Actually, here's a better idea. Processing. All right. So book with Amazon. We'll capture all your memories. Thank you.
And our final and last contestant, and
You don't have any more time.
You can,
Go ahead.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, just one.
it's Lucas. I'm sorry you don't have a package to choose. So, there you go.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bezos.
Camera, 3, 2, 1.
Fellow Amazonians. I gotta say, I'm very, very disappointed with my neighbors. They have taken all of my presents. I have an Amazon Prime account, and guess what? My drone, the one that I bought to bring my beer when I'm sitting on the couch, someone stole it. I kind of suspect the Asian neighbor that I have, but I'm not gonna point any fingers here. And then that camera. I bought that camera because it was much like, you know, like ripped jeans. It has scratches already. How awesome is it? But thank you to Amazon and to their new drone technology, I have got my last gift. Yes, my drone got shot multiple times in Texas, but then it took a little bit longer than expected. I don't expect this to be in good shape, but at least it's bubble wrap, so it must be doing something. And this is exactly what I had ordered. My favorite face paint. For any occasion. I would like to get a volunteer here, please, on stage. Would I get Ryan, please? I just want to show what we are capable of doing with this wonderful product from Amazon. And by the way, this is Amazon exclusive. You cannot find it anywhere else in the world. And it came from Texas,
It's
apparently.
gonna get kinky.
I was gonna draw a mustache on Ryan, but since he already has a
What about
mustache,
unibrow?
that doesn't work. So do the typical like, cat whiskers. Look at that. Ryan, how does it feel on your skin? Oh, the unibrow need a different color. To match. There's a variety of colors here, people. If anyone else is interested, you're more than welcome to come talk to me during the break.
I want to see what you can do on Chris's head.
I cannot be that creative. There you go.
You gotta blow on it to dry. You're running out of time.
No, I'm not gonna blow anything. Thank you.